What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys what it means to move our stop loss to break even. Okay. A lot of times when we're trading, we get caught up in so much wanting to make money that we forget one rule, right? When it comes to trading, we want to protect our capital first, make money second. Okay. A lot of people think that, oh, we got to make money now. We got to make money now. And they forget to protect their capital. Okay. It's always better to break even than to lose money. Why? Because if we lose money and we blow our account, then we're not going to be able to trade again, right? If we be able to close out a trade at break even, that means we can live another day to trade again, right? So it's very important to move your stop loss to break even and be able to eliminate some of your losses. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we can do that. So as you guys see here, I have a Bitcoin buy here on a demo account, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. So we see here that I bought Bitcoin at $48,222.44, right? Our stop loss is at 48,000. We're in pretty good profit here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop loss to break even. So the way we do that is we go ahead and swipe this to the left and we go ahead and click the little pencil. Okay. Now remember, we bought Bitcoin at $48,222.44, right? So what we need to do is we need to change our stop loss. Okay. And we're going to modify it to 48,200, and we'll give it just a little bit in profit just because of swap fees and commission fees. And we'll go ahead and go to 48,223. Okay. So now if we go ahead and click modify, okay, we'll go back to our trade and it looks like nothing happened, right? But if we go ahead and click and open it up again, we see that our stop loss is now above our entry. So what that means is when we're in a buy and we move our stop loss above entry, that means if price comes back down to our entry, it's going to close the trade rather than go into drawdown, right? So now it's going to close this trade at break even. So we're not going to make any money, but we're not going to lose any money. So that's going to protect our capital, meaning now we can live to see another day and be able to trade without having to have lost any percent of our account. We go ahead and go to the chart here. We can go ahead and click the second tab, and we see here's the Bitcoin chart that we're at, and we see that my buy, if I go down to a lower time frame, my buy order and my stop loss are in the same area. And the reason why is because if price comes back down and comes back to my entry, we'll close out and we'll close out at break even. Okay. So guys, I hope this video really helped you on knowing exactly what it means to move our stop loss to break even. Once again, it's always better to break even than to lose money, right? We want to protect our capital first and make money second. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.